I was able to fix a tire valve stem with pure baking soda and Krazy Glue. It was leaking air. This method worked for me because the tear on the tire valve stem was small. I added Krazy Glue to the damaged tire valve stem. Then I quickly added pure baking soda to the Krazy Glue that I put on the damaged tire valve stem. Krazy Glue and pure baking soda sealed the damaged tire valve stem. Careful not to get Krazy Glue on your dies. Wear eye protection. I was able to tow this 2001 Ford F-250 Super Duty like this for 12 miles with no problem. This method is only good to get your car to a tire shop. If you are stranded with a damaged tire valve stem, you can try this method. This 2001 Ford F-250 Super Duty is heavy. I am surprised this worked. If this video helped, do not forget to give it a like and subscribe. And like always, I appreciate you and I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. No more air leak.